So hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we are going to see the problem counting words with a given prefix. So I will just quickly read the problem statement and then we will see how to approach this problem. So you are given an array of string word and a string pref, and we have to return the number of strings in the word that contain pref as a prefix. So if you don't know what prefix is, so prefix is basically a leading contiguous substring for any string S. So let's see the example one to understand this problem more clearly. So this is the words array and it contains the element of string type, and this is the given string pref. So what we have to do, just have to count the string in the words array that is starting with this string 80. So you can see that the second and the fourth element are starting with the string pref. So that's why the count is 2. So by now you might have got the intuition like what we'll be doing. So the first approach that is coming into my mind is like we will first run the for loop for the elements in the word array, and for the each element we can compare the substring starting from the index 0 up to the length that is equal to the length of the string pref, and compare it with string pref, and if it matches, that means the string is starting with the pref, then we will just store the string in our count variable and we will move to the next string. So I feel that doing this way we can solve this problem. So let's try to implement it. So at the very first we'll make the count variable that will be initially equal to 0. After that we can just iterate in the array words. So for that we will use a for loop, and what we'll be doing, we will compare the substring that will be starting with from the index 0 up to a length n. And what will be the length n? So it will be equal to length of the pref string, and we have to compare it with the pref string. So for that we will write pref here, and if it is matching, that means that we have to increase the count. After that we just have to return the count. That's it. So let's try to run it, and I think it will be accepted. So let's try to submit it. So you see that it got accepted. So this is one of the way to solve this problem. So I hope that you got the problem, like how you can do this. And if you ask for the time complexity, so since we are traversing in one for loop, so it will be O of n, and since we have just used the variable that will use the O of 1 space, so time will be O of n and the space will be O of 1. So that's it for this video. So let's meet in the new video with a new problem. Till then, happy lead coding.